How to use Instacart's subscribe and save or recurring order features if available. So if you're wondering if Instacart supports the subscribe and save feature for recurring orders or anything like that, currently they do not have the feature to get the recurring orders, but you can easily order past items if you've ordered it. Go to your orders page by opening the Instacart app, going to your profile icon, then tapping on orders from the top left and ordering one of the items you've already ordered in the past with the same exact details. Now, as for subscribe and save, Instagram does have one of their premium plan, that is try Instacart Plus for free. So if you actually order frequently from Instacart, you might want to consider the subscription because you will get $0 delivery fee on eligible orders, and service fees may also apply. By the way, you'll be able to see all of the the benefits that you'll get along with Instacart's Plus subscription. Then you can tap on the start your 14-day trial as well. If it doesn't satisfy your needs, you can cancel after the 14 days. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.